Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here, Saleh's here, Zaid's here, and we are all here. Just like the good old days. Anyway, I have both of these. I want to say clown, but I don't think I should say clown. We have both of these gentlemen on mute, and yeah, if they say something, you definitely cannot hear anything. Zaid, say something. Saleh, say something. Yeah, they are on mute. So yes, today we are going to do a test, 3 tests actually. All of us are wearing the new T5 II True Wireless series. We have Zaid with the Sports Edition. We have Saleh with the Base Edition. And we have mine with the, with the McLaren Edition. So in about 5 seconds, we are going to put on our individual Klipsch earbuds and we are going to do a call test. And 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'm on my T5 True Wireless Sports McLaren Edition. Zaid over here, he is on the T5 True Wireless Sports, and Saleh's over on the T5 True Wireless Base model. All right. So what's going to happen is we are just going to say some things and see whether or not the audio call quality is going to be good as compared to this one, as compared to that one, as compared to Zaid's Sport Series. All right, Zaid, why don't you go ahead? I don't know. Oh. Very good to join Shahril. We are in the middle of testing out the Klipsch audio. And thank you for joining us, although you're not invited. But yeah.
Yeah. Hey, I also got what? Yeah, I don't have. I got also
That one old version like you, old. It's recorded.
This is for YouTube, bro.
Sorry. Okay, I
You're
didn't
gonna have to blur that out.
Yeah, guys, you have to edit it. Okay. Let's get Shahril to be a judge over here, because he's impartial. He's not using a Klipsch earbuds. All right, we're going to say about 2 liners, each and every one of us. So Shahril's going to see and comment on how he picks up the audio. Okay? Zaid, you go first.
I'm gonna go from low to high. And I would just like to say that I know Shahril for the last 15 years, and I know him since he was half the man he is.
Still half the man he is.
And now I'm going to talk a bit louder so that it becomes as though I'm shouting in my own room. So that's from the Klipsch T5 Wireless Sport.
Hold on. So you're all using the earbuds now. You're not using any other mics.
No.
Okay.
Okay, Saleh.
Okay, so I'm going to read a passage. The benefits of earbuds. 5 benefits of earbuds. Be hands-free and cord-free. With wireless earbuds, you are able to do away with multiple wired gadgets in your life. High-quality sound. You can walk as you talk. How about it?
Okay. My turn. Shahril, you're listening to the T5 II True Wireless McLaren Edition. This is the Sports Edition, by the way. When I did my call quality test, it sounded a bit muffled, but I haven't done it on an actual video conference setting. So this is the first. Don't know how it is. What do you think?
Zaid, can you say something again?
This is me, Zaid, saying something again.
Saleh?
This is me from the T5 True Wireless again.
Kai.
This is the T5 II True Wireless Sports Edition McLaren Special Edition.
It's not fair. Kai's one sounds better for some reason.
Alright.
Yeah?
What I think is, for Zaid and Saleh, you guys sound a bit more back more to the back of the room. Okay, it's a bit more thinned out as compared to Kai.
Yeah.
But with regards to the fuzziness of it, Kai is fuzzier. Okay, so there's a bit of a trade-off here. Okay, I'm hearing Kai more forward to what I'm listening now, whereas Saleh is furthest at the back that I'm seeing or I'm listening. Okay, for both Saleh and Zaid, you are more on a quieter, on a thinner edge of the spectrum, whereas Kai is more forward. Just that the quality is not as clear as the both of you two. Yeah. So
But
I don't know.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure that's actually because of the earbuds or whether it's the software we're using. But clarity is actually there. But in terms of profile or distancing profile, there is a bit of a difference. I do agree with that. I can hear it when Saleh and Kai is talking. I can hear that.
I'm not sure if it's a different mic. If it's a different mic between the three different sets. So I don't know if you can get into the details for that. Maybe that would help. But I also don't know whether it's your room settings. So how much you got an echo or how much your sound is being reflected or not.
Yeah. So there's a lot of factors that influence the overall sound pickup and sound that's coming out from the microphone. But Shahril, if you were to pick one of these as like your primary video conferencing microphone, which one will you pick?
Okay, let's have another go. Zaid?
This is Zaid. This is Zaid with the T5 II Sports edition. And this is me saying, vote for me. It's not even about voting.
Oh man,
Okay.
that just puts me off.
Okay, my turn. Here is Saleh speaking from the T5 II True Wireless earphones. How does it sound?
Okay. Okay.
This is the T5 II True Wireless Sports McLaren edition. Don't vote for Zaid, vote for me because this is a special edition.
It's so weird. Kai's one sounds the best in terms of cutting through the noise and coming up front.
Okay, I would say that it's a trade-off. It would depend on what you actually want for your call quality. If you take the assumption that this is going to be something that you're doing on the move and not something you're doing at home, then I would go for Kai's one, because the forwardness of the sound, I can accept the fuzziness of it. All right, because I hear it louder. It's a louder level than what Saleh and Zaid are at. So I think I would prefer to have that loudness, and I'm okay with accepting that decrease in the fuzziness or the quality of it as compared to having it clearer, but it's softer. Unless if you guys were to speak at a louder level, then it could be different. But at the levels you're talking at now, I would go for Kai's one.
I think maybe Kai's one is meant for the really damn noisy background.
Could be.
Maybe.
Could be.
Maybe.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Shahril. It was very unexpected for you to join in and become the judge for this comparison, but it worked out so well.
Sorry about that. I'm going to go have my lunch now. Okay, because I only have
good idea,
an hour left.
All right, let me switch. Yeah, thank you again, Shahril, for being the judge.
Have fun.
Bye-bye, Shahril.
We'll game on later. Bye.
Yay. So hope you guys have had a chance to see the comparison between the three devices, this next gen, or rather the current gen, the T5 II True Wireless series. You have Zaid's Sports Edition, you have Saleh's Base Edition, and you have my McLaren Edition. as what Shahril said, he prefers the McLaren's
Profile.
how do I say it? Not really profile, but the level of loudness, because he can hear it louder if you're comparing it to the other two. But that's not really saying that the other two are not good. It's just a preference. And yes, if you have not seen our reviews, do check our reviews. All the three reviews for all the three units are out already. Do check them here. Here, above Saleh's head. All right, you can check out the reviews there. All right, guys. Anything else? Shahril, Zaid, and Saleh?
Nope.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video.
And this review can only be possible on Tic-Tac-Toe.
Yeah, and a big thank you to Klipsch and TC Acoustic for these earbuds. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, liking this video, and hit the bell notification button whenever, so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new future videos.
Yay!
Yay! We are close to 1K subscribers. Yay! Thank you guys for supporting us.
And we still get nothing from it yet.
But yeah, that one is not very.
Lucky we do it for fun.
Yeah, that one not as important as having the support, the continuous support from you guys. Okay lah, I think that's it. Thank you everyone. Bye.
Bye.